A very good morning to all of you. So I hope you and your family member safe at home. Yes or no? So in this corona crisis, your learning should not stop. That's why we are working here. So your study should not distance from the. Okay. So in the previous classes already I have discussed about the question answer up to question number 2. Okay, because in that day rain is coming, that's why I am suddenly finished. Okay, so today I am going to discuss your question, remaining question answer. So it is question number 3 to onwards. Okay, so 3 to and onwards, you go through the textbook. It is page number, textbook page number, textbook it is page number 29, and the workbook it is page number 7. Workbook page number 7. Okay, so you can write the answer, question answer in your workbook. Okay, so this is your 5th standard workbook. Okay, so you can write the answer here. Okay, or you can write the answer in your classwork. You have to write it 2 times. One time in your workbook and another one time in your classwork. Okay, so read the question number. What? Question number 3. Okay, first one. Okay, question number 3, first A. Okay, so preparing the ground is the most important part of farming. Okay, preparing the ground is the most important part of farming. Why? Okay, preparing means to plough the ground. Why it is important? Because root will be go through the deep of the soil, bacteria and worms. Okay, so are grow in the soil. In sometime you observe na, so in the worm are growing on the water, because they may when they are growing the water soil, what will happen? Air easily enter to the soil. Okay, so then come to write the answer. Preparing the ground is the most important part of farming, because it allow, okay, it allow the root to penetrate. Penetrate means enter. Okay, penetrate deep into the soil and also worms and microbes. Okay, grow in the soil. Okay, so question number 3, first. So preparing the ground is the most important part of farming. Why? Because preparing the ground is the most important part of farming, because it allow the root to penetrate. Penetrate means to enter deep into the soil. Okay, so what will happen if the soil is okay, it is normal? What will happen? The plant root, okay, it will be go through the deep. Why? Because it absorb water. Yes or no? Then and also worms and microbes grow in the soil. Okay, so if the soil is okay, what will happen? The microbes and some you think about the worms. Okay, So they are grow on the soil. Then come to question number second. Question number second. Okay. So it is the it is the second. Okay. So name three machine farmer used to prepare the field. Okay. So you have to write the three machine farmer used to prepare the field. Okay. So tell me so many thing machine is we are using in the farming. Yes or no? So one is the what? Load. Okay. So it is are using for the making the ground. Okay. Preparing the ground. Then second one cultivator. Yes or no? Cultivator. Yes or no? Third one distributor. Yes or no? So and you can say harrow. Okay. So these are the machine. Okay. So these are the machine we are using in our farming for the propose preparing the ground. Yes or no? So then come to question number second is over. Then come to question number B. Okay. Then come to question number okay B. Okay. B. What is a seed drill used for? Okay. So what is a seed drill used for? Okay. So what is seed drill? So seed drill is a machine which are used to spread. Okay. Spread or scattering the seed in different direction. Okay. Okay, so seed drill. Okay, so it is a machine are used to disperse. Disperse means scattering the seed. Okay, so then come to question number C. Okay, so read one time. What role does the climate play in a farmer's life? Okay, so what role does the climate play in a farmer's life? Okay, write the answer. Climate and agriculture are interrelated. What? Interrelated. Interrelated means each other. Okay, interrelated. Okay, so a farmer is depend upon the climate. Okay. Okay, so question number C. What role does the climate play in a farmer's life? Okay, so climate and agriculture. Okay, so climate means the season. Okay, and the agriculture means we are farming. Okay, so are interrelated. You think if there is no rain, no agriculture? Yes or no? No. Suppose there is no summer season, we cannot harvest the grains. Yes or no? So climate and agriculture are interrelated. Okay, a farmer is depend upon the climate. Okay, such as rain, sunlight, yes or no? If if the climate, okay, if the climate change, okay, it will, okay, affect the agriculture. Yes or no? And also affect the what? Product of produce of farming. Yes or no? Okay. So this is about the why a farming is important in the agriculture. Yes or no? So climate and agriculture are okay, interrelated. Interrelated means they are depend upon each other. Okay, if you help me, I will help you. Okay, so in that interrelated means this way. Okay, a farmer is depend upon the climate. Climate means season. Okay, such as rain, sunlight. Okay, if the climate change, it will affect the agriculture. Yes or no? If rain will not happen, what will happen? There is no agriculture. Yes or no? And also affect the produce of farming. Okay, if rain will be not there, no farming, no production. Okay, so climate play important role in farmer life. Okay, in that way. Okay, then come to question number 4. Okay, some picture is there. So these are the picture of what? The process of farming. Okay, so you have to arrange in proper way. Yes or no? Then go through that. So first picture. Okay, so first picture, a tractor is plug a ground na, so it will come faster. Okay, so it is come faster. Yes or no? Question number 4. So a tractor is plug. Okay, so if you start a agriculture or farming, you have to plug faster. Yes or no? Then second, what can you do? So we can do. Then you have to spread the seed. Yes or no? Then a man is spread the seed na here, so it will come second. Okay. Then third, which one is come? We have to plantation of the tree. Yes or no? Plantation of the this plant. Okay. Then third is over. Then come to fourth. So spread the pesticide and water here. A man is spreading the pesticide and water. Fourth is over. Then after fourth, harvest. Okay, so after spread the pesticide, here a man is what? It is harvesting. Okay, then come to after harvesting, they carry the grains to house by the help of a bullock cart. Okay, then again it carry the all the grain to different district with the help of a train. Yes, a train. It is seventh. Then after train, okay, what will happen? So the grain is reach where? Grain store. Okay, so grain store is come under 8th one. Then after from grain store, a customer purchase. Okay, so this is come under 9. Okay, in that way you have to arrange. Yes or no? So first one, a man is plugging. Okay, a man is plug in the ground. Then second, what can do? Second, spread the seed. Okay, so this one is spread the seed. Then fourth one, so it is after spread the seed. So the plantation of the tree. Okay, after plantation, what will happen? So use pesticide and water. Yes or no? Then fifth one, harvest. Okay, sixth one, to carry the grain to home. From home to then sell in the with the help again to carry long distance with the help of a train. Then the all the grain are reach where grain store. Okay, after grain store, so it will be we are purchased from the grain store. This is a customer. This is the ninth one. Okay, so it is over. Then come to question number 5th. Okay, okay. See, this is our what? Okay, so here question number 50. Okay, so in question number 50, some grains name is there. You have to write where it will be grow. Okay, so first one is the rice. Okay, so rice. Tell me two state name where rice will be grow. Okay, so this is it is our Indian map. Okay, so in that Indian map, okay, so our so many state is there na, yes or no? So you have to write the state name. Okay, so first one is rice and another one is rice. Okay, where it is rice grow? So it is Odisha. Okay, so in Odisha maximum number of rice will be grow. Okay, then come to Mizoram. Okay, so Mizoram. So where is the Odisha? So in that okay, in that map, okay, see Odisha is there. Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha is here. Okay, so it is coastal area. Odisha is there. Okay, then Mizoram is where is there? Mizoram. So it is north state. Okay, okay. So here Mizoram is there. Okay, Mizoram is there. Yes or no? So north, south. Okay, east, west. Okay, so these are the coastal area, Bay of Bengal. Okay, so sea. So rice is grow in the where? Odisha and Mizoram. Okay, so these are the North Indian state, means they are present in the north side. Then come to wheat. Okay, tell me two state name where wheat will be grow. Okay, so Punjab and MP. Punjab and MP. Okay, MP means Madhya Pradesh. Okay, Punjab and Madhya Pradesh. In that two state wheat will be grow. Okay, where is the Punjab? So here Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Punjab. Here Punjab is there. So near to the Chandigarh, Punjab is there. Here see, Punjab is there. It is in North Indian state. Okay, Punjab and MP. Where is there MP? To go through the Rajasthan. Here Rajasthan. Okay, MP is there. Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so then come to sugarcane. Sugarcane. So tell me two state name where sugarcane will be grow. So it is UP, Uttar Pradesh. UP means Uttar Pradesh. Then it is Maharashtra. Maharashtra. Okay. So in UP and Maharashtra. Okay. So UP is there. Where is UP? So go through the Rajasthan. Here UP is there. See. Okay. Uttar Pradesh is there. UP. Okay. So capital is Lucknow. Okay. So then Maharashtra. Where is the Maharashtra? Karnataka. Then here Maharashtra is there. Yes. And Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. Okay. So Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra is here. Okay. So then come to potato. Potato where will be grow? So potato will be grow in the UP and Karnataka. Okay. Then come to maize. Okay, where will we grow the maize? So it is in Karnataka and AP MP, Andhra Pradesh. Okay. So then come to jowar. Okay. Jowar will be grow in the which state? So jowar will be grow Maharashtra. Maharashtra. Okay, Maharashtra and Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, so jowar will be grow in Maharashtra and Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, then come to apples. Apples. Okay, so it is these are grow in where? So it is in Himachal Pradesh. Himachal. Okay, Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, if we go through the Jammu and Kashmir, okay, okay. So jowar will be grow Maharashtra and Karnataka. Then apple in grow in the Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, so these are the cold region. Okay, mountain area. So in that region you will be Assam. Okay, in that area you will be get the apple. Okay, then come to gram. Okay, so gram where it will grow? So it will grow in MP. Then Rajasthan. Okay, so okay, see here. So this is the north region. This is the south region. This is the okay what east. This is the west region. Okay, so what will happen? So here see, Odisha is the where? Here it is the north region. Okay, so now Odisha, then Jharkhand, Bihar, then Assam. Okay, so these are the north region state. Okay, then come to south region state, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, then that is Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Okay, so these are the South Indian state. Okay, then here, then east. Okay, then it is yeah. So it is East Indian state. It is Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, so it is Meghalaya. Then Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura. Okay, Mizoram. So Mizoram is here. See, so Mizoram is here. Okay, so Mizoram is here. So these are East region state. Then okay, West region state. It is where? So here see. So it is Madhya Pradesh, okay. Then yes, Rajasthan, Haryana, okay. These are the Punjab, okay. These are the what West region state, okay. So this is about the Indian map. In that map, you have to mention the where rice will be grow, where wheat will be grow, sugarcane, potato, maize, jowar, apple, gram. Okay, so this is about your question answer. So this chapter is finished. So next period I will discuss your new chapter. Still you have to complete all the question answer. I will check your notebook. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.